In a nutshell, Heathrow can soon be expanded by a third, up to 95 million passengers annually, as a result of bigger planes landing at Heathrow. And this obviously brings in potentially a lot more road traffic, as a result producing a lot more air pollution. This report deals with that issue with a series of recommendations on how to improve the public transport infrastructure, as well as noise issues which have been generated as a result of the flight path changes into Heathrow across other parts of the city. At least 4,000 Londoners are dying prematurely as a result of poor air quality in London, and this needs to be addressed. Heathrow is the second major hotspot for poor air quality in the whole of Greater London, and this report begins to tackle that. Greener and quieter planes coming into London, Heathrow, then the on-site vehicles which are used to taxi the planes into the terminals, they should be up to EU air quality requirements, as well as seeing major transport infrastructural investments, beginning with updating the Piccadilly line as soon as possible to accommodate passengers going into central London, as well as Crossrail having the required service levels once it's complete, and also making sure that Heathrow Airport is correctly connected up with high speed 2 as and when that emerges. On noise pollution, we do want to see Heathrow comply with European Union requirements on noise pollution. It's particularly pertinent in London now that we have other parts of London apart from West London suburbs complaining about aircraft noise. And it's very important that we're consistent across the whole of London with noise pollution. So we've got to make sure that the noise mitigation schemes across the whole of London at City Airport and at Heathrow are much the same. So, for example, the trigger values should be the same, and the geographical areas that they're covering should be roughly the same as well. I hope that will give some food for thought at Heathrow Airport about how they go about mitigating against local residents complaining about noise pollution.